Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can stream and record the Oculus Quest 3. Well, actually this is very simple, so the first thing you have to do is to download OBS. So once you open this program, you have to go to settings, and here you have to go to output, and here you have to select these options like this. Then you have to select the route where the file is going to be saved, and you can choose MP4, FLV, whatever you want. So here in video you configure the resolution, the FPS, everything. Okay, so once you configure that, you have to go to your Oculus Quest 3 and you have to do the next thing that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so once we're here in our Oculus, we have to go to the camera here, and you have to press the stream option. So you press this option here, and then you have to select PC. So once you do that, you can remove your headset and go back to the PC. Okay, so once you do that, you have to remember that you have to be in the same network as your Oculus on your PC, and then you have to select this plus button, and you have to select here browser. So here you create a new browser and you have to paste this link, oculus.com/casting. So you press accept, wait a few seconds till it loads, and here you have to log in with your Meta account. Okay, so once you have done that, you have to select here interact, and you have to log in with your account. And as you can see now, I'm seeing the broadcast that I'm seeing on my Oculus Quest 3, Meta Quest 3, as you can see. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye.